With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, assume that solar constant is 1.4 kilowatt per meter square, radius of sun is 7 multiplied 10 raised to the power 5 kilometer, and the distance of earth from center of sun is 1.5 multiplied 10 raised to the power 8 kilometer. Stefan's constant is 5.67 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 8 watt meter square Kelvin raised to the power minus 4. Find the approximate temperature of the sun. And we know that it is given that the solar constant S is equals to 1.4 kilowatt per meter square, and the radius of sun, let it be RS, is equals to 7 multiplied 10 raised to the power 5 kilometer, and the distance of earth from the center of the sun, and so its distance, let it be, and this d is equals to, that is 1.5 multiplied 10 raised to the power 8 kilometer, and the value of Stefan's constant, so this is sigma b is equals to, that is 5.67 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 8 watt meter square Kelvin raised to the power minus 4. Now we have to find that the approximate temperature of the sun. Now let the temperature of the sun be, that is Ts, and the temperature of the earth be Te, and we know that Te is much less than temperature of the sun. So we can say that the radiation which coming from the sun and it falls on the surface of the earth, so there is a whole part of the earth, the radiation comes to the surface of the earth. Now first we define that the solar constant, and we know that solar constant is defined as the amount of radiation amount of radiation from sun incident on earth surface per unit surface area per unit time, and it is given by the formula, and so solar constant S is given by the formula S is equals to sigma b into area of sun into surface temperature of the sun Ts raised to the power 4 divided by its area, and area is equals to 4 pi d square, and d is the distance from the sun to the earth, and the distance from the sun to the earth, and it becomes a sphere, so its area is 4 pi d square. Now we put the value and we get that the value is solar constant is, that is 1.4 kilowatt per meter square. So we put the value, and this is equals to 1.4 kilowatt per meter square, and sigma b is given that 5.67 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 8, and area of sun is equals to 4 pi r square, and radius of sun is given, this is 7 multiplied 10 raised to the power 5 kilometers, so this is whole square, and we have to find that the temperature of the sun, so Ts raised to the power 4 and whole divided by 4 pi, and value of d is given, that is the d is equals to 1.5 multiplied 10 raised to the power 8 whole square, and 4 pi will be cancelled out, so the value of, that is temperature, so this can be written as Ts raised to the power 4 is equals to, and this becomes 1.4 kilowatts, so convert into watts, so it becomes 1400 multiplied 1.5, and so 1.5 whole square, and multiplied 10 raised to the power, this becomes 10 raised to the power 16, and whole divided by 5.67 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 8 into 7 square into 10 raised to the power 10. And so the value becomes, that is TS is equals to, written as TS is equals to, and this becomes 1400 multiplied 1.5 whole square and into, and this power becomes, that is, this is 16 and this becomes plus 8 and this becomes minus 10, and so whole divided by, that is 5.67 multiplied 7 square and whole raised to the power 1 by 4, and so on solving we get the value of, that is TS is equals to, it is nearly to 5800 Kelvin. So the temperature of the sun is approximately, that is 5800 Kelvin. Now we match this option and this option match with the option first. So this is the right answer. I hope you understood. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.